Apple announces spatial audio support for 5 Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Ooh. Apple and Mercedes-Benz today announced that native support for Apple Music's spatial audio feature with Dolby Atmos is rolling out to select Mercedes-Benz vehicles worldwide, including the Mercedes Maybach, EQS, EQS SUV, EQE, and S-Class models. Well, they're targeting the right models, the super luxury models and the electric models, where somebody might be like, finally, spatial audio. But spatial audio in the car is kind of cool. Is it not, Will?
Yeah. Very immersive.
Spatial audio requires a Mercedes-Benz vehicle with a Burmester 3D or 4D sound system. Those are the top. That's the top range, Will. Those type system upgrades, when you go on the line item and you check that box, when you do the build, that could cost as much as a cheap used car. Like that.
Really?
Oh, let me tell you, those things are no joke. Let me tell you.
Okay.
But they sound great, and so here's a way that Mercedes differentiates, and they encourage you to upgrade to this system because they say, well, don't you want your spatial audio in your car? And then you're already buying a Mercedes, so you're like, oh, yeah, I do. Maybe I do.
Yeah, I don't mind paying $10,000 more.
Maybe I do. Maybe I'm spending $90,000, $100,000, and maybe I do.
What's another $15K?
Yeah, maybe I do.
Yeah.
And besides, like for somebody like the average person, they're only going to order one car, unlike you.
Yeah.
They don't have to worry about the other cars they have on order.
Yeah, I go double.
You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about that. Where's your Tesla right now? Where is it at? Is it in Tennessee? Where's it at?
Counting down, I think there's 15 days left.
15 days.
Yeah, just over 2 weeks. It's the range. So it's like October 30th to November 15th, somewhere around there. So,
Are you as pumped, less pumped, same pumped, more pumped? What's your pump?
I'm a little bit more pumped.
More pumped.
Yeah.
What contributes?
Because I got some accessories.
Oh, take it easy.
And it's like all coming together, you know.
You're such an accessory guy. You know that?
I like to accessorize.
I think you might like the accessories more than the actual thing.
Yes.
The way you're smiling right now.
Yeah, I like them. I like to make it custom.
Did you get the dog thing yet or no?
I did, yeah. From Tesla.
The official.
Yeah, although the shipping was completely...
You splurged on the official one, not a third party.
Well, I told you I liked it because it has the door guard.
That's big money for a blanket, I'll tell you what.
It is, yeah.
What,
very
what,
much so.
What
Although, you know... when
I want to know what you paid in Canadian dollars for that blanket.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
I don't remember now.
You paid a couple of bucks, didn't you?
What?
In Canadian dollars, 145. I think that's US.
Yeah, so, I don't know, $200?
$200 for a blanket in the back seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I would say that the liner, when we were talking about it, you know how it says we thought it was going to stick hair, or like the hair is going to stick on it?
Right.
It doesn't seem like it. It seems like it's a smoother material where you can just brush it off.
Oh, my God. Look at you. You're unbelievable.
What?
You think Otis's hair is not going to stick in there? Where's it going to go?
Yeah, Otis is different because he has like human hair.
Where's it going to go?
It's not going to stick into like the weave.
Well, yeah. You'll be able to get it off. I agree.
That's what I'm saying.
I agree, but it's going to be in there.
Said it was like so sticky.
You're going to be wiping it out on a regular basis.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Well, listen, the things we do for our fur balls over there.
Yeah.
Especially you. Like, you don't leave home without this guy.
Yeah.
This guy's your sidekick.
Everywhere I go.
This guy goes in the basket in the front of your bicycle, like E.T.
Yeah.
Remember?
He has a blanket.
Wasn't there a meme? Wasn't there a meme about that?
Yeah, someone drew a picture.
Yeah.
Shout out to that guy.
Yeah. So the first thing you do, you're not even excited about the Model 3. You're excited about the blanket in the back.
Yeah, and mud flaps and stuff.
Whoa. You talking about mud flaps?
Yeah, I'm getting carried away.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah. And other stuff.
People aren't ready.
I don't want to go too far.
People aren't ready for this version of you, the Tesla accessory version of you. Mm-hmm. You're not going to get too crazy, though. You're not going to put it overboard, are you? Well.
What's overboard?
Well. You're not going to put it overboard, are you?
What is it?
You know what it is. You're not gonna wrap it, are you?
It's gonna be JDF.
You're not gonna wrap it, are you?
No, I don't think so.
Slow no.
I've seen some really nice wrap.
I'm not talking about clear. I'm talking about
yeah,
like a different color or
like
a matte finish.
Yeah.
But the matte finish, if you don't keep that so clean, it's got that residue on it. It looks dirty. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I know.
You gotta. So how often? And maybe somebody else can
Especially
chime in
the snow
in the comments here with the salt.
Yes.
If you have your car with a wrap on it, how often are you cleaning it? That's what I want to know to keep it looking half decent. But
Yeah, no wrap for me. Maybe PPF.
yeah, I guess that counts to a certain extent.
Yeah.
I have a place to go if you want to do that.
Yeah.
Did I already say that?
Told me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is cool. Yeah, spatial audio. I'll take it. Better integration. Mo just peeked in here and then closed the door. Mo, you're welcome. Whatever you want to do, man. Whatever you want to do. There you go. There's Mo. He decided to come in. He heard me from the other side of the door. He peeked, and there he is. And there he goes. There he is, and there he goes. Or do you want to say something?
I'll say hi.
Oh, okay. Here he comes. You know what? Actually, tell him that joke you told me before.
You did this with Jack yesterday, or I saw you. I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm not doing it.
Good job, Mo. Yeah. Dude, shut him down.
Oh, everybody hates that. Tell me that. That's why you should know.
On the spot while there's like
Somebody
two cameras on you?
Somebody should know a couple of jokes that they can bring at any moment, because that can save you in a certain situation, even if it's a bad joke, like so bad that it's good type of joke. You know, in the sense that it's like, like a stupid joke.
I like Mo's because I feel like even if it's a bad joke, you're gonna really shut him down.
Me?
You.
No. I celebrate.
Sure, bud.